Are you tired of feeling lost and confused when it comes to trading? Do you wish you had a reliable system that could guide you to becoming a successful trader? Look no further, because in this video, we will be introducing you to a powerful trading system that has the potential to turn you into a top 1% trader. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, this system can help you take your trading skills to the next level. If you appreciate all this knowledge that we give you for free, do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel and like the video so you will motivate us to continue generating quality content for you. Now that you are here, we are going to explain the indicators that we need for this trading system. First, we are going to add the indicator called Pivot Point Supertrend created by Theblu. And we are going to modify the indicator. In inputs we go where it says pivot point period and change from 2 to 3. In ATR factor, we change from 3 to 2.8. In ATR period, we change from 10 to 8. We leave the style by default. This indicator is really very good since it is based on pivot points. Now we are going to add the indicator called stochastic heat map created by Violent. In inputs we are going to make some modifications. At moving average we are going to switch from EMA to WMA. In theme we select theme 1. In increment we change from 10 to 8. In smooth fast we change from 2 to 7. In smooth slow we change from 21 to 26. In plot number we change from 28 to 25. And we uncheck paint bars. Now we go to style in this indicator. To change the style we are going to go to the end below. And we are going to stop before bar color in the last two plots. Here we are going to find color 0 and we are going to change its color to orange and we are going to make the line thicker as well. Now we go to the last plot where it also says color 0 and we're going to change its color to white and we're also going to make the line thicker. Now we are going to add the following indicator that will show us where we should consider the take profit. We are looking for volume-based support resistance zones created by TOMMYF 1001. And we are going to modify its inputs. Here we have time frame 1. It will give us the support and resistance of the current chart that we are using. For this trading system I suggest the 4-hour time frame, since it allows us to catch a big trend much better than when we are in smaller time frames. First we change the volume MA threshold from 6 to 8. And the number of zones back from 30 to 33. For the color of the supports and resistances of each time frame that this indicator gives us, it is important to choose a different color. For our current time frame we are going to choose the color yellow. Now we go to time frame 2. Here we are going to put twice our current time frame, that is, 8 hours. And in the same way as in the first time frame, we are going to change the volume MA threshold from 6 to 8. And the number of zones back from 30 to 33. And the color will be different from time frame 1. We will choose green. Now we go to time frame 3. Here we choose daily time frame. And in the same way as in the first and second time frames, we are going to change the volume MA threshold from 6 to 8. And the number of zones back from 30 to 33. And the color will be blue. And we are going to disable the time frame 4. Perfect. Now we are going to explain how the trading system works. We are going to hide the support and resistance indicator because we will only use it to mark our take profits. As you can see here, we have the stochastic heat map indicator, which shows us visually how the stochastics have developed in different timeframes. At the bottom of the indicator we see that they are the smallest timeframes because it reacts quickly to the movements made by the indicator. In the upper part of the indicator we see that they are the higher timeframes because their reaction is slower but more stable. So we see that when there are many bullish crosses at the bottom of the indicator, it means a possible reversal. And in the same way, we can see that when there are many bearish crosses in the upper zone of the indicator, it means a possible reversal. And when could we take a trade? That's what the second Supertrend pivot points indicator is for. It shows us visually where we can take a trade. For example, in this case of Bitcoin with a 4-hour time frame, we can see that there are many crosses in the oversold area. This indicates that we can expect an uptrend, but we confirm the signal with the Supertrend pivot point. We would then take a long trade when the Supertrend pivot point signal appears. We set the stop loss at the buy signal label, and to set our take profit, we are going to activate the support and resistance indicator again. And we are going to consider the last 3 important maximum points to place partial take profits. In the first take profit we can get out with the profits of half the trade. In the second take profit we can leave with the profits of the remaining half, that is, 25% of the initial investment. And in the third take profit we can leave with the final 25% of the initial investment. In this way we obtain the maximum possible profit from the market. So let's see how the price develops. As we can see, the price moved very quickly in our favor. And we got the 3 take profits. Before the end of the video, I would like to show you one more indicator. It will help you to know if the trade is more accurate. The indicator is called breakout probability created by Zierman. We are going to modify its inputs. Step percentage from 1 to 1.2. The number of lines from 5 to 4. We disable show statistic panel. And it's ready. How do we apply it? As we can see, we have a percentage that shows us where the market is more likely to go in the following candles. So, by the time we have the signal, we are going to verify that our indicator shows us more percentage towards our favor than against. In the same example that we have seen of Bitcoin, at the moment of the signal, we see that we have twice the percentage of bullish than bearish. This gives us confirmation of our trade, and we will have more confidence that we are going to reach the take profit. I hope this video has been helpful to you in understanding the system that will put you in the top 1% of traders. Remember that it is very important to divide your take profit. It is the best way to get the maximum benefit from the market. If you learned something new in this video, feel free to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Happy trading!